watching out the window. Daddy's walking down the path, a one's bucket in his miner's hat. He'll be black as night when he gets back. Mama's in the kitchen, praying in a whisper. Granny's at the table, feeding baby sister. Grandpa died mighty cold, Daddy's digging in the same old hole. Sure does hurt the women folk to hear that whistle blow. Howling through the holler, burning hell's flame. Rolling long and lonesome, it's that old black train. Chugging round the mountain track, no way to hold it back. Whistle blows the blues each day. Here comes the hillbilly heartache. Hauling off the spirit, living in the mountains. Stealing for the devil, too many loads to count 'em. Delivered goods to the company store, took the big boys off to war. Same old train brought 'em back, sleeping underneath the flag. Howling through the holler, burning hell's flame. Rolling long and lonesome, it's that old black train. Chugging round the mountain track, no way to hold it back. Whistle blows the blues each day. Here comes the hillbilly heartache. Memories flood my brain, I can hear that whistle wail. Standing in the rain, staring down the rusty rail. Howling through the holler, burning hell's flame. Rolling long and lonesome, it's that old black train. Chugging round the mountain track, no way to hold it back. Whistle blows the blues each day. Here comes the hillbilly heartache.